For semester 3rd, from this academic year 2025-26, the new syllabus is here. In today's lecture, we will introduce this syllabus and what points or what sub points we are going to learn for this semester. We'll have seen this introductory lecture, that is this lecture is made to introduce students about the syllabus of B.Sc. second year. So first paper is modern physics. For this semester, those students who have their physics as their major subject have to learn two papers, that is first one is modern physics and second one is electricity and magnetism. So in each paper there are three modules, that is module first, second and third. So we will see one by one. In first module of this modern physics paper, there are three unit or three module, and first module is a photoelectric effect. In this lecture we will see what is mean by photoelectric effect, that is introduction of this unit. Then we have to learn two method to determine properties of photoelectron, that is first one is Lennard's method to determine E by M for photoelectrons, and another is Richardson and Compton experiment. Then we will see the relation in Richardson and Compton experiment. There are two relation, that is a relation between photoelectric current and retarding potential, and another is between velocity of photoelectrons and frequency of light. Then we will see types of photoelectric cells, that is first one is photoemissive cell, second one is photovoltaic cell, and last one is photoconductive cell. And based on these points we have to see the numericals based on all these points. Then the second unit is about X-rays. We have to see what are mean by X-rays or properties of X-rays. In this unit we will see introduction of about X-rays, then absorption phenomena of X-rays. Then we have to see Low's experiment or Lewis experiment. Then there is a famous law, n lambda equals to 2 sin theta, that is Bragg's law. Then we have to see Bragg's X-ray spectrophotometer, Bragg's X-ray spectrometer. Then we have to determine or we have to see powder crystal method. Then what is X-ray spectra. Then we have to see main features of this continuous X-ray spectrum and characteristics X-ray spectrum. And based on these points we have to see the numericals. This is all about unit second. And in last unit we have to see the last unit is about laser, that is laser light. In this we have to see introduction about lasers, then the basic concept about laser, that is induced absorption, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. Then we have to see population inversion in lasers. Then we have to see what are the properties of this laser beam, then laser pumping. Then we have to see what are the types of laser. In that there are lasers like ruby laser. We have to see construction and working of this laser, that is first one is ruby laser, and another is helium neon laser, and third one is carbon dioxide laser. Then we have to see different applications of laser in biological field, medical field and industrial field. And based on this we have to see numericals based on lasers. So this is all about paper, that is modern physics, D.Sc. 5 modern physics. This is for total 50 marks paper. And And another subject for this paper, there are a different reference book recommended by university, that is Modern Physics by J.B. Rajam, Modern Physics by R. Murugesan, or Introduction to Modern Physics by R.B. Singh, and for laser, that is Fundamentals of an Application, Tyagarajan and Ajay Ghatak sir. Anyone you can choose. Another paper for this semester is electricity and magnetism. In the same way, here also there are three modules, that is first, second and third. First module is electrostatics. In that we have to see what is mean by Coulomb's law or statement of Coulomb's law. Here we have to see only statement, not proof. Then concept of electric field, that is what is mean by electric field. Then we have to see electric potential, electric field and potential due to point charge, that is another electric field and potential due to continuous charge distribution. Then we have to see the relation between E and V, that is electric intensity and potential. Then we have to see electric dipole and dipole moment. And then we have to see a famous Gauss law in electrostatics, that is Gauss law with its proof, and based on these points we have to see numericals. Then second module is, or second unit is dielectrics. In that we have to see introduction, that is what is mean by dielectrics. Then types of molecule between based on its polarity, that is polar and non-polar molecules. Then the behavior of this polar and non-polar molecule in electric field. Then electric polarization of matter. Then there is one vector, that is electric polarization vector, which is denoted as P. Then electric field in this dielectrics. Then we have to see Gauss law in dielectric form, that is Gauss law in dielectrics. Then we have to see the relation between the vectors D, E and P, and boundary condition of this D and E vector, and based on this we have to see numericals. This is all about dielectric module. And third one is magnetostatics. In this we have to see, that is introduction, that is what is mean by magnetostatics. Then concept of magnetic field and magnetic induction. Then we have to see a famous law in magnetostatics, that is B.S.C.S.Y. and Sievert's law. Then we have to apply this law to a magnetic due to long straight wire. We have to apply this law to long straight wire carrying current and circular current loop. Then we have to see magnetic induction inside a solenoid. Then we have to see a famous Ampere circuital law. Then we have to see magnetic induction inside a toroid and magnetization of matter. And based on this we have to see the numericals. This is all about introductory part. In today's lecture we only see the syllabus points. Detail one by one points of the module or unit we'll see in from next lecture. For this lecture, for this paper, that is electricity and magnetism, there are different books recommended by our university. You can choose any one from this list. This is all about students who have their major subject as a physics in their B.Sc. second year. Based on this theoretical subject, there are practicals. You can see these from syllabus PDF. Those students who have their subject physics as their minor subject, they have different paper. That is first one is soil physics, and another one is digital electronics. These two papers are for the minor subject of students who have their minor as physics subject, and those students from other than science background, either other faculty students, and those students have their generic as a physics subject. They have to learn that is this paper data analysis technique using Excel. Those students who have their skill as a physics subject, they have to study one paper from skill, two papers. That is, first paper is solar cell devices and another paper is electrical vehicle technology. Students have to choose one from these two papers, and based on which paper chosen, they have to perform practicals based on this paper. So this is all about syllabus discussion of B.Sc. second year 2025-26 to students. From this academic year, this syllabus have changed. So from next lecture, we will start our new topic, that is photoelectric effect. So thank you.